Hello my yarny friends, how are you all doing today? Welcome to my nookery. This is where I do all my knitting and my crocheting and do my videos, and I do my lives as well. So I hope you all had a wonderful festive season, guys. I am doing this video before Christmas, but I know it's going live after Christmas. Actually, it's going live on the Wednesday after Christmas, because I'm not doing a live that day. So I thought I'd treat you to a video instead. Now, you all know I love beehive, well, I do love beehive yarns, but botanical yarns. This is what I use to make Stephen West's, let me see, this way, this is Stephen West shawl. Mystery knit along this year, and I'm hoping to do it again next year. We just had a quiet Christmas and a bit teary as well, and we've been out for lots of walks, guys, because that's what I need to do to get out. So I ordered this for Christmas from Botanical Yarns. Well, it's botanical yarn, not yarns. So let's get into it, guys, shall we? And see if I can remember what I ordered. I know it's all Christmas orientated, guys. It's all Christmas orientated. And it's come in the box. Look at that. An extra Christmas present for me, because I'm worth it. Oh, I got my raffle ticket as well. Joined the Ravelry group. I still haven't done that. I must keep that out and join her Ravelry group. And that, and upcoming events. Ice Festive box starts. 1st to the 1st, 23. Oh, January mini skein box starts, and then in March, Yarn Fest in Yorkshire. I'll have to go. So this is the box, guys. So let me just get it out. So excited, so excited. And there's more tissue paper. Keep that. So let's see. See, isn't that a lovely box, guys? So I believe it starts on the 24th, but I'm showing you on the 28th. I think, yeah, it is the 28th. And you've got some nice more tissue paper. And I've got, oh, a lovely bag of goodies, guys. Look at these. Oh my gosh, look at them purples. Oh, look at the minis. Are they just fabulous? And I don't know if you can see that jar there, that vase there. That is going to have all my minis in. Yay! So, yeah, so this is a finger weight 4-ply. Superwash, 75% merino, 25% nylon, 5 times 20 grams. And this is the festive collection. Isn't that just stupendous? So everybody should have had this by now. So, and I've got some little packages, so let's see what's in this little package. Oh, woven labels. Oh, I've got woven labels, guys. So I've got them. How lovely. Next year, guys, I do plan to do Vlogmas, so I've made a start on getting things for it. Oh, look at that. Twill and Print Fibre Studio. Oh, look at that, guys. I can't quite make out what it is. Is it a skein of yarn? Oh, it is. It's a skein of yarn, look. You just see the shape of it. I've got that. Oh, I've got a candle as well. Oh, this will be nice to have in here Oh my god, that smells delicious. Oh, I don't know what this smell is. It's not vanilla. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, that'll smell really nice. Look at the, isn't that pretty? It's black and gold. Rick's bought me an empty Advent and he's going to fill it up, each drawer for me, with silly things for me to open when I do my Vlogmas next year. Oh, that smells delicious, guys. I've got another little package. Oh, look at this! Botanical yarn place markers and that, and progress keeper. Isn't that adorable? Oh, snowflakes and Christmas trees and stars. Oh my lord, I've been after these for ages. Do you know what they are? Little snips. I could take these on holiday with me when I go, you know, when I go, I'm going to Turkey next year. I'm sure. Look at that. Look at that. Look, the little scissors. Oh my god. I'm over the moon. I'm happy with the box altogether. Look at that. Little snips. They'll be ideal for the plane. Because obviously, guys, I'm going on an aeroplane. I'm going to have some knitting socks, and it goes in its own little pouch. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm over the moon. Absolutely over the moon. I can't even begin to tell you. I'm like a little kid in a sweetie shop. That was worth the money for the box. Anyway, look at them. Oh guys, I'm absolutely over the moon. They'll definitely be fabulous for when I go on holiday. And then last but not least, yay, I've got another Notions Christmas sock bag. So I've got two now. Look. Isn't that super duper? Oh, I'm absolutely over the moon. That is brilliant. I'll get me socks in that. Oh yeah. I'm happy bunny, guys. I really am. The scissors were worth it for me for this box. And I got some yarn, and I got some everything that a knitter or a a knitter needs. So, yay! Oh, love them. They're the icing on the cake for me, guys. Absolute icing on the cake. Well, I've got one video going out on Thursday, which I do believe is the Sock It To Me Challenge 2022 roundup. And then my next video will be on the 1st of January, which will be a knitting podcast and crochet, knitting podcast crochet, knitting crochet podcast. And I just want to thank everybody, every single one of you, all my yarny friends, for all your support this year. As you can imagine, Christmas was quite a tearful one, and to help me get over that, we went for walks. I just needed to get out, and I can't thank Rick enough as well. He's been my rock through all of this, but so have you guys. All your prayers, all your emails of comfort and prayers, and I do so appreciate it. And I know I keep going on about it, but I do think you all deserve special thanks, and I do mean that from the bottom of my heart. So thank you guys for just being who you are. Yeah, and let's make next year even bigger and better one for us all. So take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the year.